hau gozea. Zerbait prestatuko aldugu? Zer, Rogia? Gaietak. Pastel goxoa prestatuko dugu.
Good afternoon. Well, now it's our turn, and we are going to do a little adaptation of Cake Story that we have been working on, okay? But first of all, we are going to introduce ourselves, then we are going to do Cake Story, and we'll finish singing a short song. So we hope you like it. And you will see how we work with these little kids in English since they are very, very young, okay? So, I'm Sagrario. Hello, everybody. I'm Sagrario. I'm Cristina. Hello. And now they will start, okay? Come on. First one.
Hello. I'm Anna. I'm 5.
Thank you, Anna. Next one.
Hello. I'm Naroa. I'm 4.
Very good. Next.
I'm Onat. I'm 5.
Big boy, he's 5. Next.
Hello. I'm June. I'm 5.
Thank you, Yune. Next one. Slowly.
Hello. I'm Onat. I'm 4.
We are not going to run, walking. They are a little bit nervous, okay? Next.
Hello. I'm Aurora. I'm 5.
She's a big girl too. Next one. Slowly, eh?
I'm Kainen. 5.
Very good again. Next.
Hello, family. I'm Carla. I'm 5.
Next one. Thank you, Carla.
I'm Garak. I'm 5.
Big boy. Come on, next one.
I'm 9. I'm 4.
She's still 4. She'll be fine. Next one.
Hello, I'm Inigo. I'm 5.
Thank you, Inigo. Next one. Come on.
Hello, family. I'm Koyani. I'm 5.
Well, she's 5. I don't know if you could hear. Slowly.
Hello, I'm Urko. I'm 4.
And the last but not the least.
I'm Kepa. I'm 4.
Thank you, Kepa. Goyane, please. We are on stage. Well, are you ready for the story? Yes or no? Okay. Are you ready? Once upon a time, there was a big family. Mommy? Nora is mommy. Or Naroa, sorry. Daddy? Anne is our daddy. And 12 children. Can you imagine that? Before it was common, but nowadays. And one day, the little boys and girls said,
Mommy, Daddy, please. Mommy, Daddy, let's make a cake.
and Mommy and Daddy put on the aprons to make a cake. And
what do we need? The bowl.
so Mommy and Daddy got the bowl to make a cake. But something was missing, so they said,
What do we need? What?
what do we need, children? Doyane? And everybody said,
We need chocolate.
and Oyane got the chocolate and gave it to Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Boyane. Thank you, Boyane. Chocolate in the bowl. 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 It's enough.
It's enough. No more chocolate.
What do we need?
Very good, Anna. You don't need a microphone?
Yogurt.
Sorry?
Yogurt.
So everybody said,
We need the yogurt.
and Urko got the yogurt.
Thank you, Urko. Thank you, Urko. 1, 2, 6 spoonfuls, 5 spoonfuls.
It's a different yogurt. More yogurt? We've got a little problem with the numbers, but the cake will be great. We put chocolate and yogurt in the bowl. Have we finished? No. Oñat, what do you think? And where is the sugar? Come on. Oñat, where is the sugar? Is that sugar? I don't think so. And Oñat gave the sugar to Daddy. And Mommy and Daddy put the sugar in the bowl. It's enough. More sugar? What do you think, Mommy and Daddy?
No. It's enough.
Okay, it's enough. No more sugar. It's not good for your teeth. What else? What's missing? Come on. Naya? Okay, and Naya got the baking powder and gave it to Mommy and Daddy. And they put the baking powder in the bowl. Show Mommy and Daddy's what baking powder is. More baking powder? It's enough. Have we finished the cake? No? No? Carla, what do you think is missing? So everybody said? I can't hear you. Much better, thank you. And Carla gave the eggs to Mommy and Daddy. Well, in this case, to Mommy, eh? Ready to put the eggs in the bowl? How many eggs?
1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, 5 eggs, 6 eggs. It's enough.
Ah, it's enough because we've got just 6. Have we finished?
No.
Yes?
No.
So, what's missing? Who's going to help Mommy and Daddy? Nagore. So everybody say?
We need flour. We need flour.
Mommy's and Daddy's cannot hear you. Can you hear them? Can you hear them? At the back of the cinema? No, they say no. So what do we need?
Flour. Flour. We need flour.
And Nagore got the flour and gave it to Mommy and Daddy. To Daddy again. And they put the flour in the bowl. It's enough, no more flour. And now what?
What do we need? Mixer.
The mixer, Inigo. Can you get what? The mixer, very good. So Inigo gave the mixer to Mommy and Daddy to mix all the ingredients, okay? Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. Let me try. No, we have to mix again, okay? Ready to mix? 1, 2, and 3. Yes, this time is ready. So they put the cake tin in the oven and they waited. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And the little boys and girls said, and Mommy and Daddy opened the oven, but it was burning, it was too hot.
We need the gloves. Gloves.
They needed the gloves to protect their hands. So they put on the gloves and they took out a delicious chocolate cake. And the little boys and girls said, like at home. Can you imagine the situation with 1 and 2, with 12? Sorry? What do you think, Daddy? Daddies don't shout at home, eh? This, I think, is saying something, eh? But the little boys and girls insisted. No? They know how to do it. So what did you say again? Sorry? There is no way, eh? that? Sometimes. So Mommy and Daddy took the cake and they put it on top of the cupboard, not in the cupboard, okay? But the little boys and girls are going to ask to Mommy and Daddy again and again, okay? Yes? Come on, put the cake on top of the cupboard, please. Be careful. But come on, put it on top of the cupboard. Be careful. Arad is a good boy. He knows he's not going to have a cake. Yeah, Arad. You know that when Mommy and Daddy say no, it's no. So, a little later, when the chocolate cake was cold, everybody had a piece of cake, and it was delicious. And that's all. Now play. And let's into a line, come on. Hold fast. Next, hold fast. 1, 2, and 3. Out. 1, 2, and 3 again. Well, this is a short adaptation, but they identify the situation very easily, like you, no? And sometimes we have to think about our attitude. Well, and now to finish, we are going to sing a very short song that you will see on the screen. But Christina will help you, so look at Christina, okay? And sing together, eh? All together. We are not going to walk, Goyane. Jelly on a plate. Now to finish, after 3, we are going to bow again, and you are going to say, what are you going to say to Mommies and Daddies? 1, 2, and 3, bow, and... What are you going to say now to everybody? Sorry, I can't hear you.